Hey guys, welcome once again to 360 Mix. Here's another case modification. This is for a Denon MC4000. I've been doing a lot of these, and as you can see, we have your inputs right over here on the front side of the case. You have your IEC plug here. This is where you plug in your power. The customer wanted one of these flappy things. I don't really care for this little flappy things. I mean, you can take it off if you want. You got your right, you got your left speaker, you have your booth, and you have your microphone input. Everything here is nice and tidy. Short cables, custom cables here. These are all tie wrapped right here. Look how short. They're all custom length for this case. And this is covered here. All of these are, each connection that I do on these cables are soldered and also heat shrink. It's one step that I take extra just because I like perfection. So that's the way I do those. Everything in, it's got a power strip here, USB. You can plug in your stuff. All the cables are nice and short. If you lift it just to see the bottom, this is going to be a Mac system. So this is going to be your powered hub. This is a Thunderbolt hub with USB-C. You have your big ass power supply here for powering your computer and your peripherals. You can put your hard drives here. Notice how the carpet is nice and clean. These are extra supports so you can tie something else here, maybe a cable or whatever it is that you want. These are all secured. This is secured with Loctite, so this is not going to go anywhere. This ain't going to go anywhere. This will not fall off. And everything is nice and clean. And that's the whole point of having a system like this, that you can travel with it. Obviously, I didn't put it in right, but you can see all the nice connections. Everything is nice and straight and clean. No dust, no stripped. Notice all the screws, how they're all the same and they're all facing up, or they're all little cross. Why I do these things is because I like details. I like to have things nicely done, and this order of you know, cleanliness you don't see anywhere. Also color coded. Yellow goes there, green goes there, blue goes there, and blue goes there. See, very simple. Hope you guys like this, and I hope that also inspires some DJs to customize your own case. Take care.